Hello my lovely viewer, welcome once again to the Prime Learn website where your learning has been simplified just for you. I'm Navagala Koni. I'm going to teach you English language of primary 4 under the topic time, subtopic the past simple tense. My dear viewer, this is lesson number 96 and it's about identifying helping verbs to form question tags in negative sentences. My lovely viewer, before we start today's lesson video, let us remind ourselves of what we looked at in lesson number 95. In lesson number 95, we looked at identifying helping verbs to form question tags with positive sentences, where we said that positive sentences take negative question tag. In that lesson, we said that a positive sentence is that sentence that does not have the word not in it. And a negative sentence is that sentence that has the word not in it. In that lesson, we gave examples like Sandra ate her food yesterday. We saw that this sentence was a positive sentence, so we applied a negative tag, which was didn't she. Because of the word ate, we introduced our helping verb did in its negative as didn't. Then we added our pronoun she, and the answer was Sandra ate her food yesterday, didn't she? Another example which we looked at in that lesson video was John wrote a letter yesterday. Because of the word wrote is in the simple past tense. We introduced our helping verb as did and we changed it to negative, and our answer was didn't he. My lovely viewer, in today's lesson video, we are going to understand what a question tag is. After understanding it, we are going to identify helping verbs to form question tags in the simple past tense with negative sentences. After, we shall supply a suitable question tag. Then we construct sentences with the question tags. My dear viewer, what is a question tag? A question tag is that statement written between a comma and a question mark. My dear viewer, what is a helping verb? A helping verb is that verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. My lovely viewer, remember in this lesson, we are going to identify helping verbs in negative sentences. And a negative sentence is that sentence that has the word not in it. My dear viewer, negative sentences take positive question tags, as we are going to see in the examples which I prepared for you. My first example reads, it did not rain last night. My dear viewer, when you see that statement is in negative because of the word not, since we have said that negative sentences take positive question tag, we are going to identify our helping verb did, then we add our pronoun it, and we shall say it did not rain last night, comma, did it. You write the helping verb and the pronoun did it. My next example, my lovely viewer, says we did not eat breakfast. My dear viewer, when you see that sentence, again it's in negative because of the word not. So we are going to supply a positive question tag, whereby we are going to get our helping verb, then we add our pronoun we, and our answer will be did we. So the statement is we did not eat breakfast, comma, did we. Hope we are moving together, my lovely viewer. Another example is we did not go to Entebbe last week. My dear viewer, when you see that question, again it is in negative because of the word not. That means we are going to supply a positive question tag whereby we are going to get our helping verb did, then we get our pronoun we, and we shall say did we. Therefore, our answer is we did not go to Entebbe last week. Did we? My next example is, my dear viewer, they did not sleep last night. To supply a suitable question tag, we are going to get our helping verb did plus our pronoun they, and we shall say did they, and our answer is they did not sleep last night, comma, did they? My dear viewer, having seen those examples, let us construct some sentences while supplying a suitable question tag. My first example reads, they did not do their homework in time. Did they? They did not do their homework in time. Did they? My next sentence is, he cannot swim. Can he? He cannot swim. Can he? My last example reads, I am not going to school. Am I? My lovely viewer, having constructed those sentences, let us remind ourselves of what we have looked at in today's lesson video. In today's lesson video, you have been able to identify helping verbs before supplying a question tag for negative sentences. And we said a helping verb is that verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. And we said in the simple past tense, we use helping verb did. And we said that a question tag is that statement written in between a comma and a question mark. And we have also said that negative sentences take positive question tag. My dear viewer, a negative sentence is that sentence that has the word not in it. We have seen examples like, it did not rain last night. Because our sentence was in negative, we had to supply a positive question tag, which was, did it? It did not rain last night, comma, did it? Our next example was, we did not eat breakfast. And our answer was, did we? We did not eat breakfast. Did we? My dear viewer, have been able to construct sentences while supplying a suitable question tag. And one of the sentences we constructed were, they did not do their work in time, comma, did they? Another one was, he cannot swim. Can he? And many other questions we have constructed in this lesson video. My dear viewer, hope now you can supply suitable question tags for negative sentences, as you have seen in this lesson video. My lovely viewer, coming up is the lesson test which I prepared for you. In order to get that lesson video, scroll down, you tap on the blue button just below this lesson video. You will find the lesson test which I prepared for you. Let us meet again in lesson number 9-7, which will be about the use of ellipsis but ellipsis. Don't miss that lesson, my lovely viewer. I remain Nabagala Koni, who has been teaching you English language of primary 4. Bye-bye.